We are here at the Courtyard Marriott here in Erie on the lakefront. And guess what we have here? We got some Otis GEN2s. You don't have two. Here we go. Do it too. The American flag sticker. Want to switch up to two, yeah. Very, very nice. Elevator here. Key card in there. One of these Otis is power side modes. It's definitely very annoying. Old door.
This other one not working, okay?
No, the other one is on power safe mode.
Oh.
Sometimes I like to park here and then it's very annoying. See? So this controls the light there. Here's this other one here. 5. Good 2. Here 2. Doors closing. go to 2. There's a only floor we can go to. I mean, this is a big hotel. Here are 2. Going up?
3.
Alright, come in. Go do your thing.
Going up, man.
And we're going up. Yay! Now let's try to hit 1. Stupid with his controllers.
You going down?
Yep, now we're going down. Go ahead.
All right, boss.
Anyway, I was just saying, these elevators park here, so they like to do power safe mode, so that's why these new Otis controllers are very finicky. There goes the elevator. I guess that is gonna be it for me. This is the north elevator here at the Courtyard Erie here in Erie, PA. Right on the river, right on the lakefront.
Thanks, sir.
There we go. Watch this. 5, 4, 3, 2, mezzanine. All floors are locked in this car. So, 5, 4, 3, 2, yeah. That's why. E key. So we'll just combine this with the main bank. Well, similar cab. Yours, there's 2.
So it's a straight shot.
Sorry, can't go anywhere.
Oh, it's gotta be key carded?
Yeah, they gotta get your key card. But, yeah. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.